just a bit past 5:30, I think 5:45. And I'm gonna catch the bus at 6 o'clock to go to the border of Laos. Yesterday and the day before we took a 2-day boat ride from Chiang Rai to Luang Prabang. Last night we arrived and walked a bit around the city, went to the market and so on. And actually also yesterday night we already booked a minibus for today to get to the waterfall. And the waterfall is probably one of the biggest attractions that's outside the city. So now we're going to Kuang Si Watefalls with a minibus, which was all in all I think 40,000 baht, so €4 for the round trip, and we're all very much looking forward to it. By saying we, I mean me, Laura, who is from New Zealand, then Marina, which is from Canada, from Vancouver, and Sebastian, who's from Peru. Yeah, we met in the tuk-tuk from the Thai border to get to the slow boat, and since then we've basically been hanging out the whole time, and yeah.
Bow. How did you even get there? Keep them in cages till they're 10 years of age, and then they can kill them. So there's a sterilization project going on there with another group, and then obviously they're trying to rescue the bears so they don't get slaughtered. So it's on the decline there, and then it's just Myanmar and China, and Myanmar's pretty much run by Chinese people anyway.
Doing it for the gram.
Welcome to the waterfall. Where are we? I don't remember. Look at the lush scenery. Look, to my right, bamboo. To my left, trees, tourists, water, more tourists. Isn't it beautiful? Join me in this adventure.
Say something, Laura. Going all the way up. To get up you got two options from where the viewpoint is with the big waterfall. You either go left or right, and then it's like a loop, and on the very top is where we just were. There's like a swing and like a cool pool, but now we split off quickly, me and the rest of the group, because they're gonna go take the loop, but I'm gonna go back down the same way, because there's this one place that I've even heard of plenty of times where it says do not enter, but you should enter anyways, and then you get to like some very cool pool. So that's where I'm going now, and we'll see how it is. Down here is a bear with a focus on black bear sanctuary. Here they got 43 as far as I know, because we talked to one of the persons earlier, one of the volunteers. 43 bears right here. They're all black bears, and apparently in Asia there's a big market for black bears. So what they do is they keep them, and there's some, I don't know, in one of the interiors of the body They have some fluid in there that they take for medicine and so on. So they keep them in cages like this for most of their lives, and then they just use them for the medicine, and afterwards they kill them and eat them or sell the body parts and so on. So this is a sanctuary that saves them before you can even remove the liquids. So they're working on saving the bears.